Hi, I'm Kat Dunn, the owner and founder of the Brilliance Business Accelerator community. I am a course building expert with more than 19 years of experience creating learning and development programs for some of the most recognizable brands in the world, including Walmart, Verizon Wireless, Ocean Spray, the Internal Revenue Service, and the United Way. We operate a full-service course-building agency where business owners and professionals package their years of experience into high-level courses and programs for their prospective clients, including consumers, companies, colleges, and universities. Here are some of the key benefits that we offer. A dedicated instructional designer just for you in the C-suite and corporate training so that you don't have to spend hours trying to package your decades of experience into instructionally sound content. We offer beautifully designed and branded done-for-you course portals, taking the frustration out of trying to figure out how to make it run on its own while making it look gorgeous and worthy of your years of wisdom. We mentor coaches, experts, and entrepreneurs on how to scale their knowledge and expertise by repackaging their content to expand their personal brand and provide personal best practices for strategic content, training, and program development. We help our clients solve their major pain points. They can't get the content out of their head and organized. They lack the confidence in their content. They lack the technical know-how for automation. They lack the course marketing expertise needed to sell their courses. And they lack an understanding about how to optimize their income without sacrificing their lifestyle. We have the unique ability to create learning experiences that are easily understood by any audience in any niche. So here I was working in corporate America with a 5-cup-a-day coffee habit. It was crazy. I felt like I was on a merry-go-round and just couldn't get off. It was time for me to get intentional about my life. So I decided to start sharing my brilliance with the world, using my more than 18 years of experience, teaching other people how to build courses and monetize their brilliance. And I've never looked back. It's been amazing. I've met some amazing people from all over the world who have come to me saying, Kat, I'm ready. I just need to know what to do. There is nothing better than waking up every day knowing that you're doing exactly what you're supposed to be doing. There's nothing like it in the world. I've got a little girl and I love being able to take her to school, pick her up from school, and I love being able to be a present wife who's not exhausted all the time. This is what happens when you are walking in your brilliance. I am so excited to meet so many entrepreneurs who are ready to do the work, who are ready to share their brilliance with the world. They just need to know how. I want to share my 18 years of industry experience helping you to take the next step, to go to the next level. I want to show you that you too can do it. Intention is the mother of action. I want you to be intentional about your life and live it like you mean it. The window of opportunity is always closing, but you got a chance to jump right on through it. And I want to see you do that. This is your time. This is your chance. It's time for you to take what's yours. It's go time.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're here with Kat The Coursebuilder. That's KatTheCoursebuilder.com. And, we want to speak to her today about something that, is very interesting to me because a lot of people has asked me questions about my knowledge about social media. And Kat here is a woman that could actually help package that. So I definitely want to learn about that business. So Kat, thank you for joining us on the show today.
Thank you so much for having me, Philip. I'm so excited to be here.
To Visions, a business and community affairs program designed to encourage and promote entrepreneurship in Central Alabama.
Thanks for tuning in to another edition of Vision. Cedric Varner, very excited. Of course, you know that one of the subjects that we talk about on the Vision Show is entrepreneurship, and so we have an entrepreneurship specialist here today from Atlanta, Georgia. We're excited to get a chance to introduce you to Catherine Dunn, who is a business coach. Ms. Dunn, thanks for being here with us on the program.
I'm so happy to be here, Cedric.
It's go time. It's all the way go time. You got this. Execution is the key. Intention without execution means nothing. Execute, execute, execute.
All day, baby, like it ain't nothing, nothing.